Are you tired of dealing with underinflated tires or long waits at the gas station for air? What if there was a quick and easy way to keep your tires in perfect shape anytime, anywhere? Airmoto Tire Inflator, portable air compressor. And see how it could be your ultimate road trip companion. About the product. Built with the highest quality materials, Airmoto is a portable tire inflator for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles. Use the plus and minus control buttons on the Airmoto to easily select your desired pressure. Easily change between PSI, kPa, bar, and kg per cm pressure units with a push of a button. Includes 3 attachments and air hose. Use the Schroeder valve on cars, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles. Perfect gifts for women and gifts for men. Conveniently store this portable air compressor for car tires in your glove box or garage, ready for use whenever needed. Package includes using method. Ensure you have Airmoto Tire Inflator portable air compressor. Press the trigger button to turn the tire pressure gauge on. The gauge will display 0.0 on the LCD screen. Click the button to switch units and select PSI unit. Unscrew the cap on your tire's valve stem. Attach the air hose with the air compressor. Connect the air hose to the tire valve or inflatable item. Use the digital display to set the desired pressure. Select the power button to turn on the compressor and let it inflate until it reaches the set pressure. The device will automatically shut off. Unscrew the nozzle and replace the valve stem cap. Enjoy your journey with confidence and ease. If you are interested in picking up Airmoto Tire Inflator, portable air compressor, I've got you covered. Just check out the link in the description below to grab it on Amazon. Features: quickly inflate any tire up to 120 psi. Automatically stop inflating once you hit the right pressure for optimal safety and performance. Take advantage of the built-in LED light to safely inflate anything in the dark. The digital display shows ultra-precise tire pressure. Save time. Car tires. Motorcycle tires. Sports ball pool toy. ATV, UTV tires. Bicycle tires. Specifications. Warnings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and reviews. Thanks for watching.